From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of sleeping on an adjustable bed with a malfunctioning remote control? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution? The ZWP RF258C replacement remote for Beautyrest is here to revolutionize your sleep experience. This smart tech-enabled remote is designed to be compatible with Beautyrest Smart Motion 3.0 adjustable bed RF258C JLDK.28.01.02, giving you seamless control over your bed's movements. With its durable and wear-resisting high-quality ABS construction, this remote provides a comfortable hand feeling, making it a joy to use. As a well-reviewed and popular product, many customers have purchased and fallen in love with it, and it's easy to see why. The remote's buttons have a smooth and responsive texture, allowing you to effortlessly adjust your bed to your desired position, and the sound of the bed's motors humming to life is music to your ears. When you're done, the remote's comfortable design makes it easy to place on your nightstand, within arm's reach. In real-life use cases, this remote has proven to be a lifesaver, especially for those who value the convenience of adjusting their bed with ease. Whether you're reading a book, watching TV, or simply relaxing, this remote makes it all possible. What sets it apart from others is its reliability and ease of use, making it a must-have for anyone with a compatible adjustable bed. If you're experiencing any issues with your remote, don't worry, the manufacturer has got you covered, with a helpful troubleshooting guide that walks you through the process of disabling the child lock, ensuring you get the most out of your remote. In conclusion, the ZWP RF258C replacement remote for Beautyrest is a super comfy and durable solution that's sure to elevate your sleep experience, so why wait? Give it a try today and start enjoying the comfort and convenience you deserve. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.